I know. What it is? No!
And we left like 6 times.
Yeah, he was all about riding his quad.
I don't think he realized he was trying to leave.
Yeah.
I think he just ended up
Sorry,
fighting.
He probably got lost.
Don't kill him. I will. Where's Kelly?
Yeah?
And then I saw the smoke and the exhaust come into the friggin' thing, and I'm like, here's him sitting there right there, just blowing it.
Dude.
Oh, I might get
Dude.
Dude! Oh, wait, yeah, dude.
What's your name? I forgot. What was your name?
Very funny.
Google.
We'll probably go out.
I'm not telling.
Hey, Carl, what's her nickname?
Deuce.
Goose? No. Well, I got all my stuff ready, so if I
Oh, screw you.
Deucey!
Goosey! I got all my stuff ready, so if I get
Hey, Deucey! Didn't even touch that one, did it? It is making me feel good in the truck. He loves it in the bed of a truck. I don't know why. You like it up there, huh, buddy? I like it in there.
Yeah, he was like, yeah. I heard him. I was like, what's he doing? Which one is the bad one?
I think I just took the bad one out with my right hand. Shame.
Aha! Yay! Are you gonna jump off?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's too light out right now to read down there. They're not designed to last real long, I don't
Is that
think.
right?
They want you to have to buy new ones every year.
What'd you say, Lee?
Give me some free candy while you're down there if you could.
I'll do that. You're going to come back safe and sound, right?
Well, I sure hope so.
Don't say that. Say, yes, I'm coming back safe and sound.
Yes, I'm coming back safe and sound.
Thank you.
Hey,
Come home soon.